Dad, people are coming.
Where? No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
Don't see anybody. Crying babies, bubbling hot pots. Got it all. Geysers.
Daddy.
Yeah.
How did they put that there?
Oh, I bet you they used a long pole.
They dropped it.
Probably. Oh, that one looks all dried up.
Oh, like they built this and like Dad, after they build, do they like try to sit on boardwalk as much?
I bet you they do. Dragon's mouth. Oh, we've never been able to see in this far before.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Where do we have the picture where I'm wearing your hat?
Remember
over
this
here,
one?
hat like we're hanging over.
You
Was
like
it right
last
here?
time?
Oh, the smiley one? The good
Can
one?
you hold this?
It's it was at the overlook, the falls overlook.
Yeah, it's over there when we got the picture of you guys riding the bike.
You'll have to show me which picture, but yeah, we've never been able to see in this far. It's normally really steamy. Look at the waves that come out. Isn't that funny?
Whoa. Oh,
Look at that wave.
You see why it's called that?
Daddy, it's super foreign.
Yeah, it's like a hot springs empty.
Wait, Dad, I want to try something. Oh, Daddy.
All right, go ahead. I know what you're trying.
Something.
That won't work, sweetie. It doesn't work that way. Good idea.
No, and do it because Dad, it looks so long. And look, we got my gigantic pot of holy juice potion. Looks like a giant pot of holy juice potion.
Look at that.
Like, is that fun?
Look at that, guys.
I don't know, we're gonna figure it out this time.
Daddy, you can't see far. Dad, look at it over there.
Yeah.
Dad, you can't see far and look not. It's a door right out here.
Yeah, bet.
Yikes! Look.
That's
Dad, wait a moment, we gotta see a geyser storm. Wow, it's so scary. Dad's like going up into the air.
Isn't that crazy?
Dad, can you see it's going so high?
That's so high. All right.
Wait. Drain more water. Alright. New.
time where we are.
Dad, it fell apart here.
Wow.
We're at Yellowstone and today we did the canyon hike. Now we're doing the mud pots. Since Jacob's mouth. First one. And oh my goodness, this goes on forever. Oh. Huh. Nice. Those flowers. Look at that.
That one's really boiling.
Wow, it's pretty. It looks like there's some more steam over there. The only thing that I see right now is pine tree.
What kind of trout live in here?
Fried trout.
Trout. Been laying around here. You see, you can tell they come up the edge here and like to hang out.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Looks like a beach. Oh, for bison.
Look at how much water's coming up out of there. You know, being the water that far and still doing it. That's what we need to see in the winter here.
Black Dragon's Cauldron. The mud pot roared into extinct in 1948, blowing trees out but roots and forever changing this once quite forested hillside. A park interpreter, a new feature for it resembled of a darkly colored demon of the backwoods. For several decades, it erupted in explosive 10-20-foot bursts out of black mud. Over the years, it has moved 200 to the southeast and become a relatively quiet. However, as change is constant in Yellowstone. The black dragon may one day roar back to life.
Yeah, it says it. It's blowing up trees out by the blue.
Wow.
Oh.
So, dragons, black dragons culture.
Huh? Yeah.
What kind of camera thing did that guy have on his back?
That was a GoPro's 360 cam.
Look at that one.
Hey, this one's pretty violent.
Yeah. I saw up in this corner and it exploded.
You need to yell hurry when you have that.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow. Oh my goodness! It's cold.
It's a lot better in
The name up here.
Oh! Smell it.
Burning Caldron.
Rolling and fuming as heat and gas rise from Yellowstone's magma chamber. This muddy pool turns and cooks, shaken again and again by earthquakes. The temperature beneath it rises and falls. Daddy, feel like me?
You want to take a break, Macy?
Want Shiloh to take it?
Hey, girls, look at me. Look at that.
Shiloh. Actually, this is a good place. Turn around, girl.
I'm the dragon.
Hey. No. Put your arms around each other.
Say, I love Daddy.
Say snuggle buggle.
Say beaver teeth.
Dad, I don't want baby.
You're gonna be half a beaver tooth.
I am.